Hello and welcome down onto the tech desk, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little bit of an update. So I don't normally do updates on my videos, but this one I think deserves one. So I did this video, I did a review of this. These are the Nyxi Hyperion Pro Joycon, and they are fantastic. I absolutely love these. These are my favourite Joycon, and out of all the Joycons and all the controllers, I'm going to be using this over all of them, and I hope you've ordered yourself a pair because they're brilliant. And when I did the video, rightly so, people commented that it was black and not green, which is on the box, and everywhere else it should be green. So what I did was, I emailed Nyxi and I said, wait, why is mine black? Shouldn't it be green? And they said, yeah, it should be green. And then a couple of days later, this arrived. Okay, so it is green and it right. The reason was, I've no idea. It just came out of the factory with black and it should have been green. So, let me know down in the comments if you've got a green one piece in the middle, because I've done some testing. Because I did wonder if this was like a version 1 of the Joycon that I got sent and these are version 2. No, they are identical. I've spent the past couple of hours, because this arrived yesterday, just testing out the Joycon. They are absolutely identical, okay? So it was literally, I got sent the wrong piece on there and it should have been green. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's have a brief ping over it. So as I said before, the other one, it is literally just a piece of plastic with some kind of like transparent plastic that goes through there, so you can see what player you're on. So it flashes. See those 4 flashing there like that. Okay, and similarly with this one, it will flash with those 4 as well, which is the same like that. It just kind of runs through those bits. Okay, there is nothing more to it. You can buy ones that do have a USB Type-C charging port on here that will charge both of these at the same time, but I doubt it will be this colour of green. And the colour of green, look, it does match. It is identical. Nice. I'll be honest with you, I didn't really have a problem with the black, but yeah, the green matches it far better, doesn't it? And also to answer your questions, will they do any other colours, seeing as we're talking of colours? I don't know. I really don't. I wish I did know. I'd love different colours. I mean, this colour's okay. This colours are nice. This is the kind of like the Master Chief Zelda colour. Looks really good. But I'd love like a black or a white or something. And I'm pretty sure the past times when these have come out with the Hyperion, it did do different colours. So maybe keep an eye out. Okay, so if you want to get yourself a pair of these, go and have a look at the links. I know hundreds of you have, and that's brilliant. Use my discount because I don't want you to be paying full price for these. I've got a discount for you if you go and get them, and you can order them, and you can order them now, and they will come soon. So coming to the UK, it will take around 1 to 2 weeks for me. It took with the UK, depending on the postal service it comes with. So it's not too much of a longer wait. Go and get yourself a pair of these. Out of all the Joycons, of all the third-party Joycons and controllers I use, the Nyxi Hyperion Pro by far the best, and you just need to go and look at my review and other people's reviews to see why. Okay, so I hope that's cleared it up. If you've got a black one, let Nyxi know. You should be getting a green one. Brilliant. Okay, that was it then. That was the update. Please do like, please do subscribe, hit that thumbs up until the next video. Bye-bye.